I like living in Stevens Point because even though it is a pretty small town in Wisconsin, because it's a college town, you do get a lot of different people here from different countries and different cultures. I was born and raised here and haven't left. Even though Stevens Point is a pretty walkable town, sometimes you can live on the edges of it and you need to have a reliable car to get to work and you don't really want to stand out in the cold. I had been wanting a RAV4 for a long time because that was the car that I learned how to drive on. And it just showed up in one of the used car lots one day and I said, I need that. And I was able to go to the credit union and get a loan right away for it and was able to get it before anybody else could get to it. Cars move quickly around here. I had an account at the credit union since I was 7 years old, so it made sense to go to that credit union because I had already had a relationship with them and knew the people that worked there. When you're 20 years old, your credit isn't always the best, but luckily my father had a relationship with the credit union already, so he was willing to co-sign with me, and I was able to get the loan because of that. This is the law office where I work. Whenever we have a client who needs banking or financial advice, I always send them over to Graham at Connexus.
I do like to say Connexus is like the best of the medium. We have things that, quite frankly, other big banks can offer you. A digital banking platform that works well, beautiful branches, well-trained employees. But we also want to be close to you. We don't want to ever seem so big that we're faceless. What a credit union does is be a part of its community.
Connexus makes sure that they can help anybody at any stage in their life with loans or being able to have a bank account even though maybe you don't have a great credit score. Connexus can help people with that.
People in this community, they like to have a face-to-face conversation. It is our job to allow that person to see us as a confidant, see us as someone that they actually can trust. And if you allow me to take you on this journey, ideally you'll be one of our sticky members and we can continue to help you.
I've gotten to a point in my life where it finally makes sense to buy a house instead of rent. And it also makes sense to go to Connexus and get that mortgage because of the relationship that I've had with them since I was a kid.
You think about the start there, that's someone who's 7 years old, now 20 years old getting a car, now looking into a mortgage. This is actually a place where I can help people. I get to advocate for people here. We want to be an institution that's going to be there for your life.